Hi guys,
welcome back to our channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Tanvi,
and my name is Ajima.
and for this video we are going to be doing something really interesting and out of the box. I mean, the idea is like normal, but the twist is exciting.
It is also one of the most requested videos because we had it in our trailer and we didn't get the time to shoot it again. There were some technical glitches with the previous video, so we thought why not, add some twists and turns in this one and then reshoot for you guys. So here we are.
So in this video, we are going to do Never Have I Ever Quarantine Edition Feet Coffee Shots. So without any further ado, let's do this.
So the rules are extremely basic. There are some twists and turns that we want to explain to you. So as you know by the title, there are going to be coffee shots involved. So we have like a lot of questions that are never have I ever questions, and the first twist is that it's not necessary for me to not have done something that I'm saying. So if, for example, Tanvi, explain.
So if I say that never have I ever been to a club, that doesn't necessarily mean that I have not been to a club. So I'm just saying the question for the sake of saying the question, but I will have to drink the shot because I have been to a club.
Yeah. And the second one is that all our questions will be related to quarantine. They're going to be about masks and all of that. Everything coronavirus, I think. So that is how it's going to be. We thought of adding a little, fun element with this. So yeah, that is about it, and we'll start with our questions.
Okay, so the first question is, never have I ever binge watched a show in one day.
I've never finished one. I've binge watched, like I'll watch pure din.
Yes, I have. Emily in Paris. Everybody
I did not. It took me 2 to 3 days. Okay, not everyone's like you.
This video is just going to be me drinking shots. And I was like, okay.
I hope I don't like black coffee. Never have I ever been to a movie since 2020. You haven't?
I haven't.
Don't go out, guys.
I actually didn't go to any movies since 2020 because we had our exams and stuff. So like we didn't get time in the beginning of 2020.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next is, never have I ever experimented with cooking.
You deliberately wrote this one.
I think you should drink 2 shots. I think you should drink 2 shots.
I know you deliberately wrote this one. Listen, you did too.
I did. Yeah, I'm drinking. Everybody please notice my shots are way black than Agribah.
Listen, it's about the lighting, okay? Please.
Agribah, I think we should do cheers. I think we should do cheers.
No, yes. I'm in no mood to do cheers with you.
Why are they so strong today?
My turn. Then we will drink 3 to 4 to 5 shots.
I'm already ready.
Never have I ever made dalgona coffee.
It is so shocking that you haven't.
Drink. I stick to my normal basic stuff, okay? I make normal, very tasty coffee.
I made it like quite a bunch of times.
Tanvi, one more, Tanvi.
Agribah, I'm going to be up all night.
Very tasty black coffee is, na?
I'll be up all night.
Okay, your turn.
Agribah, this though you should drink all of your shots for, okay? I think every student needs to drink all of their shots for this question. Never have I ever plugged in my online classes and then slept.
Sorry, not sorry.
If any of our teachers are watching this, I'm sorry. It's not that we don't enjoy classes, it's just that we like sleep more.
Okay, very common. I think a lot of people have, and I don't know why I wrote it because I also have. Okay, never have I ever hosted an online get-together.
Yaar, I'm not drinking so much coffee.
You have to.
Can I drink half?
Excuse me? You're the one who loves black coffee, okay? I should get that leverage.
Okay, so the next question is, Never have I ever gone 2 days without showering.
What the hell, yeah?
I have not.
I am not playing any games with you ever in the future.
Have not.
She plans these things against me.
No, I have actually.
Yes, you have.
Yeah, I'm agreeing to it. I'm drinking now.
You better. So this is a reminder and guilty, not guilty, sorry, not sorry type question. Never have I ever sincerely performed or done breathing exercises.
I have never. Even though I was asked to do it like really
We did not do them sincerely, but I think we have
Yeah.
done a few.
No, I have
You
not.
should all do breathing exercises.
Okay, the next question is never have I ever decided to start an ambitious fitness plan.
Not an ambitious
No.
one. I just go like, yeah, 3 days I will exercise, 4 days I will exercise.
No, I do like write all my diet and stuff on a paper and then I keep it on my bedside so that I remember
It
to
never
do it. But reality hits.
Tanvi, drink up. Never have I ever started a YouTube channel because I'm bored. I was not bored. I was very sincere. She was bored.
Technically, it was 2020 and
Yeah,
we could not find anything else to do. Like,
that's true.
let's do this. Agrima, drink?
I am not drinking. I was
No, yes,
bored,
you're
okay?
drinking. Yeah, that's cheating. I was not drinking.
This is cheating. What the hell? Okay, I will drink.
Drink.
But I
Just
wasn't
because
bored.
you want me
I-
to drink, you are drinking.
I started it with a lot of sincerity, okay?
Yes, the same. Drink. How have I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? I have had 9 shots.
तूने इतना क्या किया लाइफ में?
The last and the final question is never have I ever cut my own hair. So I think we're only talking about the 2020 to 2021 phase. So I haven't in that phase. I have
Okay.
cut my hair, but when I was a kid, but not right now. So I'm not drinking it.
I have questions.
Yeah.
Does cutting your family members'
Yes.
hair?
Yes. Oh,
Tanvi, you said never have
that
I
doesn't
ever.
count. That doesn't count.
That does
Yeah.
count. Drink.
No.
That counts.
Question is never have I ever cut my own hair.
So that was it for today's video. We hope you liked it.
And if you want us to do a part 2, leave your comments and leave your questions in the comment box. We will do a part 2. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a video.
And stay home, stay safe, wear double masks and get vaccinated if you can.
Yes, that is very important.
And
Thank
thank
you
you
for
for
watching.
watching.